Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be going over a simple how to not have a deer to eat your plant. So this is a tomato plant, and in part one of my video I showed everyone how I came outside and I noticed that the deer had eaten most of the leaves off of the plant. So I did some research, and the best thing I came up with that I did not have to go out and get anything would be to do a makeshift. So in this makeshift, I have a pan, aluminum pan, right? And what I'm gonna do is, I've already created a hole in the pan with the scissors, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this string in, tie the string. And you have to be careful with the string if you're going to use like any type of string that's easily cut with aluminum. So I'll tie the string, and before I put the string on the pole, this is just a pole that I got from an old mop. See, you screw it in the mop and it has a top. So this top I'm going to actually use to string my makeshift instrument. Right? So I'll just string it through. And I'm just making sure it's very secured. So I've put the string through the top of the mop or your broomstick, and I'm gonna tie it with like a knot where I can honestly take it out again if it does break. So I'm gonna do a loose knot, right, like a bow. And so the purpose of this instrument is to make noise. When the wind is blowing at night, it's gonna make noise, so when the deer actually come to the back of the yard, they're gonna probably more than likely be scared away. So you can actually see how this is working. It's moving on its own. And while the deer is actually back here, what's going to happen is you don't know when it's really going to move. And so when it moves, it's going to scare them. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope if you're having any issues in your backyard with your potted vegetables or any type of garden that you have in your backyard, this may work for you. Be sure to like this video, comment down below if you have any ideas, and also be sure to hit the subscribe button.